What's up, guys? How's it going? Welcome to the recap. So today is 22nd, and let's get into the overall market first. So if we look at SPY real quick to see how that's doing. So, whoops, let me make a big screen real quick. There we go. So it seems like it's in a downtrend right now, right? So, but let's see if it holds up and how it ends today. But overall, the small cap was very slow today as well. Let's just look at the daily real quick over here. This was kind of expected. As you can tell on this day, there's this big wick that basically tells you, the bears brought down all the pressure, buying pressure all the way down. So that's kind of like, bearish move for sure. So let's see how the next few days span out. All right, let's go over the watch list for today that I had. Let me just pull that up real quick. So let's see here. All right. So today I was watching that's UAVS, ELYS, and a few other stocks that are not here. Most of the stocks like dumped today for sure. So if I just kind of like show you, right? Well, let me just show you on the bigger one real quick. So, for example, CLNE I was watching, right? Let me pull it up on the minute. CLNE went up. It's kind of like, I tried to take a trade on this area right here, but it did a false breakout. That was a bad trade because if I looked left and saw, hey, false breakout here, false breakout over here. So, definitely over here as well. So I should have took that trade, but I didn't look at the whole chart, so that was my mistake. But even then, my loss today is very minimal, manageable as well. So that was that. And then if we look at JG, was another one that just tanked out of the open. It's been in a downtrend. GNPX had a good run. It's trying to recover right now. I was watching this area right here, 477. I didn't take it. I was just kind of speculating, but it ended up going up. So CBAT, I think I had a trade on CBAT. First time it faked me out, actually, and the second time, that's when I got it. AMTX. So as you can see, a lot of the stocks just were down today. So yeah, so let's look at the ones that I traded today, right? HUSN, EMAM didn't work out. CBAT, one red, one green. GNPX, I had a trade on as well. CLNE, I try to take a trade on right now. It just didn't work. I should have got it a little bit earlier, but the level 2 was a little bit iffy. So, but it's all good. It was still a manageable loss for sure. There's really no good like pattern to show you today, just because a lot of things were like false breakout. So yeah, I don't know. It's just been crazy. Let me show you E-Man. Maybe I can pull something up there. So if you see E-Man, right? EMAN, I was looking for this breakout of 160, but it did a false breakout and it crashed. So, yep. That one was that. And then what else we got? GNPX X for the break of 5 was a good one. So, and this one was around this area right here, right here. Got in around like 495, and then we just kind of went up and then went all the way up. So, yep, not bad. And then other stocks were CLNE, I showed you that one already, but it was just a lot of false breakout. So overall, that's it from me. I'm down 88, but it's manageable, and we'll see you guys tomorrow.